Hey guys, this is Huang, and this is the channel about how to immigrate to Canada under the Atlantic Immigration Pilot Program. And as I promised in today's video, we are going to discuss about the Express Entry Program, how does it work, what is the days, and some just to get some more information about programs that are helping you to move to Canada. So let's move on and then what is the Express Entry? Express Entry is a system used by the Canadian government to manage applications for Canadian permanent residents through certain economic immigration programs. The Express Entry system is used to manage applications for skilled and qualified workers. Express Entry is designed to facilitate the immigration of skilled workers to Canada who are most likely to succeed economically. The system boasts efficient processing times with 80% of applications processed in 6 months or less. Those who are eligible for one of the programs managed by Express Entry submit an entry and the Canadian government issues, and successful candidates can submit an application for permanent residence. A positive result on the applications will grant the applicant and their accompanying family members Canadian permanent resident status. Don't forget that you get the PR very fast, and the whole family gets this document. Alright, so how does the Express Entry works? If you fill out a profile for Express Entry, your application will be ranked according to a point system. Then, if you are highly ranked, you will be invited to apply for permanent residence as a skilled immigrant. Then, once you have applied for your PR application, will then be processed within the next 6 months. So the whole process will take you up to 6 months because the Express Entry is a very fast program. And in the next 6 months after you arrive to Canada, you'll be able to get the PR. Which immigration programs does the Express Entry cover? You must use Express Entry to apply for the Skilled Worker Program, the Skilled Trades Program, the Canadian Experience Class. Some candidates for Ontario's PNP are also selected through Express Entry. Then, do I qualify for Express Entry? You qualify for Express Entry if you meet the eligibility criteria for the Skilled Worker, Skilled Trades Program, or Canadian Experience Class. Then, how are Express Entry profile points determined? uh, your Express Entry profile will get points based on your education level. So higher education level you have is much better and beneficial for you. Your abilities in English and or French, that's the Canadian second official language. Just make sure that you have your language test so you can prove the knowledge of that. Your work experience and skills, of course, this is very important because most of the time you'll be hired just because of your work experience and skills. Of course, your age. It is important because Canada is trying to hire young generation for the country. Most of the time, the people in the age in between 18 to 35 gets the highest score for the Express Entry profile. Then, if you have a job offer in Canada and your spouse's education, language abilities, and work experience. Additional points are also awarded if you have completed a college or university program in Canada or if you have a provincial nomination. So, how does Express Entry choose people for permanent residence? There are three main steps. First of all, it's once you submit a profile, your profile will be entered into a pool, a group of all the people who have currently applied for Express Entry program. Then you will be ranked against other people in the pool. Your ranking is based on the number of points you have. And finally, if you are on the top of the list of the ranking, your profile will be drawn, selected from the list of applications. You will then get invitation to apply for permanent residence as a skilled immigrant. So, there was a good information, but how does the comprehensive ranking system works? And then how do you get your points? The comprehensive ranking system, or CRS, is the points-based system they use to assess and score your profile and rank you in the Express Entry pool. The points you get from CRS include a core set of points up to 600 and a set of additional points of up to 600. Your total score will be out of 1200. So The core is up to 600, which includes skills and experience factors, spouse or common law partner factors such as their language skills and education. It could be work experience as well. And the third one is skills transferability, including education and work experience. Additionally, you get up to 600 points, and this is the Canadian degrees, diplomas, or certificate. That's why we highly recommend you to prepare your educational credential assessment from WES or from any other institution just to get this process faster. A valid job offer. If you have a job offer from a Canadian company, this will rank you among one of the top list of the whole pool. A nomination from a province or territory. And fourth, a brother or sister living in Canada who is a citizen or permanent resident. And fifth is a strong French language skills. So the total scores equal to core points plus additional points. So the maximum, again, I need to remind you, is 1200 points that you can get. So let's get some more stats. What were the results in 2018? So more than 92,000 immigrants admitted to Canada through express entry in 2018 year-end report shows that the software engineer was most common occupation among 89,800 express entry candidates invited to apply for Canadian permanent residence last year. So if you are a software engineer or you are in the IT industry, you most probably can apply through the Express Entry program. Then moving on, Canada admitted more than 92,000 new permanent residents through its Express Entry system in 2018, an increase of 41% over the year before. A new federal government report shows the findings are contained in Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada's 2018 year-end report for the Express Entry system, which was released in July 2nd. And let's go to nationalities that citizens of India dominated express entry invitations in 2018, receiving 46% of all ITAs issued, which is 41,675. Then citizens of China were a distant second with 6,200 ITAs, followed by citizens of Nigeria who received 6,000, then Pakistan and UK. So this is just brief information. I wouldn't say that this is a very deep information about the express entry program, but you can get more information on the official website. This all information is taken from those sources. We didn't create anything new. All the information is available for you. Just do your own research. And just to remind you that we are still helping out people to immigrate to Canada under the Atlantic Immigration Pilot Program, and soon we're launching the Rural and Northern Immigration Pilot Program, which will help you to ease your process to apply for in these provinces, in these areas, in these communities for your future job. So we do have several packages that are included. I'm gonna add some more information in the description down below. So I think this is it for today, and there was one and there was a channel about how to immigrate to Canada under the Atlantic Immigration Pilot Program. If you enjoyed watching this video, please press the like button, subscribe to our channel, share with your friends, and just stay tuned because we are going to launch a new project very soon and more videos are coming very soon. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.